So hello everyone. So in this video tutorial we will be learning about how we can uh, handle form submission using Ampscript. So let's get started. So here first we will be creating a collection. Let's say my app. In this we will be having a form page. So and also we will be having a thank you page. Okay. So the form page. Will have our UI and form, and the thank you page will be having the uh, Mscript logic. Okay, so we are going to the form page first. Okay, here we will be having our form, and in this case I will be using Bootstrap. Okay, so I will take the link from here. In the head I will be having the link. In the body I will be having the form inside a div. I will give it like style, so everything we want it centered, so display flex. Okay, and justify content center, align items center. Okay, items or item, align item center. mm, Items only. Okay, now here we will give our div. This will be class will be container. We will give a width of 800 pixel, and here we will have our form. So in our form basically we will have mm, so the method will be post. So we want to post the data to the thank you page, right? And action will be the thank you page URL. So we will keep that blank for now. So first we will have a label, let's say name, and here we will have input type equals text, placeholder equals enter your name, and we will give a class of form control, label email, input type will be email, placeholder enter your email address, class form control, again label. Here we'll have phone, input type equals phone, placeholder equals enter your phone number, and we will have input type submit style, or we can give, we will have a button, so class will be btn. We can give like success maybe. Okay, we can give this. These are basically bootstrap classes. Okay, so if you are wondering like what is form control, this is bootstrap class, this is bootstrap class. Okay, so all are available in the documentation of bootstrap. So here I will give a value of register. Okay, and I can give like style, border, uh, radius 0 pixel. Okay, I want it pointed edges, and I can give like box shadow. So I think somewhere here we can find box shadow. Mm, and so this kind of shadow is fine. So we can give a shadow, but this is optional. Okay, so we can give a style tag here. Okay, and here we will have like container, right? So given an idea of our container, for example, or my container. Okay, and here I'm giving like, and here I can give like margin top 40 pixel, and that's it. Here, okay, all good, but then this is not getting aligned. So I missed the class name here. So class will be form control. I think now it will be fine. Okay, so this is our form, so we can give a title here, so we can give it here somewhere, register to our monthly newsletter. So register to our monthly newsletter, this is the form, and when we submit this form, basically we want it to go to our thank you page, right? So okay, I will give this, and I will go back to grab the thank you page URL. You can put that in the action here. Okay, and basically that's it. And okay, we will give name, right? We need the names. So name equals name. So this will be name equals email, and this will be name equals phone number. I think phone is fine. And okay, I think that's fine. So that's it basically. So now I can also give one more thing like here required. Okay, so that without filling the form, people won't be able to submit it. Okay, so otherwise anyone can submit. So to avoid that, okay. So now In the thank you page, our first task would be just to print the data, right? Whatever is there coming from the form page, we want it to get printed. So I will copy this URL of Bootstrap, here body, and here we will have div. Class will be again display flex, and we will give like justify content center, align items center, and here we will have like h4, and here we'll give thank you for registering to our monthly newsletter. Okay, and we can give like margin top of 40 pixel, and here we will be having our M script. So percentage open and close. So here we will be having var name, email, phone, set name equals, we will give like request parameter name, email, request parameter email, set phone. Okay, and we will basically initially we will be printing it. So equals, and we can give like this. And basically we will publish this. So now if I basically put my details here, right, some dummy values obviously, and if I register, it is giving me the data. Okay, so which is good. Oh, this will be style, that only I am thinking why it is not coming in the center. Okay, so now it's in the center. Okay, now what we will be doing, of course we don't want to print it, we want to store it, right, in the data extension. So we'll give like form or newsletter de. Okay, and we want to make it sendable, testable. Since we, let's say we want to send some email address, right, some communications, right, then we need that. So email, name, phone. Okay, these are the three fields we are capturing, and email maps to subscriber key. This is important in case we are wanting to send out emails. Then our mapping is important, right? uh, Unless it's SFDC contact ID, that also we can map, but in this case I'm keeping it as email, and email is the primary key. So it's important we use a primary key here in case we are doing update, upsert, because if it's upserting it needs to check against this. Okay, but if we are doing insert then I think it's not required. But here, so we will be doing upsert data. So here upsert data updates an existing row in the data extension for the specified number of filter columns listed in name value pairs, right? So it basically updates existing row in data extension, and there is no if no data exists in that row, the function inserts a row. So it does the purpose of both, uh, and also uh, eliminates the chances of duplicate values. Okay, so we don't want duplicate values, so it eliminates that, so which is what we need. So here we will do like, we need this function. So here we will take this basically and we'll put it here, but we will replace this with the data extension name. So our data extension name. Now how many conditions? So if we give here 2, right? So if we give it 2, it will take this 2 condition in the where clause, but we don't want that. We want only first condition to be taken, which is email, and email is email. Okay, so this condition will be the condition against which it will check. Okay, and then it will have name, and we can give name and phone, and we'll have phone. And if I submit this, okay, publishing it, basically it, okay, it will update. Okay, so now let's go back to the form, and I'm putting like, and I'm putting some value, and I'm registering. So on registration I'm getting thank you for registering, and here I should have the data. Okay, so one time, actually first time I submitted blank, right? So that's why it entered. So directly I loaded the, I by clicking here, that's why it entered, but otherwise I think it's fine. So okay, so I'm clearing this record. I will enter again. So let's say I'm registering again, and I register, right? So my record should come here. Okay, now let's say I change my name from this to this, and I change my phone to this, and I update. So again I am getting here thank you, but here notice it will not create duplicate records, but it will update my existing record, put 91 at the end, and update my name. So that would eliminate the duplicate, right? So this is basically how we handle our form. Okay, and we can also trigger email, but that's not for this video. So I think you like this video. So thanks for watching, guys.